Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing video to share with you, and I've got Medusa's Makeup, and this is the Holiday Glam Edition box. This is their December box. If you're new to Medusa's Makeup, I'll just tell you a little bit about them, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down in the comments below. This is a surprise box for me. I wasn't expecting this at all. I have received Medusa's Makeup boxes in the past, and Medusa's Makeup has got in touch with me and have asked me if I'd like to do a review on my channel, and yeah, I said yes. But yeah, this is a surprise. I didn't know I was getting this. So thank you to Medusa's Makeup for sending it to me. So Medusa's Makeup is based in the US and they ship worldwide. Now the box costs $16.95 and that includes shipping within the US, and for international delivery is an added $10. So it works out to be around £20. So you're middle of the range type of price. So inside every box you will find 4 full-size items, and they're all cruelty-free and vegan. Now what makes Medusa's Makeup stand out a little bit is the fact that they specialise in bold pigments and edgy designs. So all their products are a little bit quirky and a little bit different, which is what drew me to them in the first place. Now they have an online store, so you're able to purchase products off the website, plus if you sign up for their newsletter then you'll receive 10% discount off your first subscription box. They offer a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel anytime, and then they offer, I think it's 3, 6 and 12 month subscriptions as well. So yeah, so let's get on to open it up and show you what I got inside. So this is the Holiday Glam series. So inside you got a little card here and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, and it gives you a price. And we got 5 items this month. Normally we got 4, but we got 5. So it's 4 beauty products and a bag as well. Hopefully you can see there. So the information on the card, it just says that this is a bonus makeup bag. I'm sustainable, washable and vegan. And then it's got here, coming for 2020. It's featured brands, Korean face masks, nail polish, perfume, liquid matte lipsticks, cheek sticks, duochromes, themed boxes and much more. It's got at the top here, the value of this month's box is $46.94, and that works out to be around 36 British pounds. So yeah, so we got a little bag there. That's really cute. I love the design, really nice. So that's our bonus item. So the first product is a highlighter, and it's a luminous highlighter. Now I've had a sneak peek in the boxes, but I haven't actually looked at the products. I need scissors. Where are they? Where are they? So it says Highlighter Hotel on the packaging, and that's what it looks like there. Really beautiful packaging. I do really like them. They're really smart. So that's the highlighter. I'll do a little bit of a swatch on my hand. It is pretty. It's not the sort of highlighter I'd normally go for. It's got, it's more like pearlescent. It's quite shimmery. It's got different colours in there. Oh, it's quite subtle though. I was expecting it to be full on, whoo, on my hand, but it's not. You might not be able to see actually. There, you might not be able to see. You might be able to see sort of the pinks coming through. I was a bit worried about that because when you see it actually on here, you can see the colour shifts, and yeah, I'm not that keen on like pinky highlighters. It's not as bold as what I thought. So the information about this, it just says that it is cruelty-free, vegan and paraben-free. They don't have information as such on their card, it just tells you the price. The Highlighter Hotel recommended retail price is $13. So there's that. We have got here gorgeous packaging, really gorgeous packaging. Bubo. It's Mystical Eye Dust. Look at the packaging. That is so pretty. There, the arrows. So you've got a little eye dust in here, and it just says cruelty free and vegan, as they all are, and it's got Bubo underneath. There, let's open this up and see. Oh, I was expecting it to be grey, but it's not. It's purple. It looks kind of grey there, but no. Look, you can see there, it's purple. That is stunning. That is really pretty. I'll just put a tiny bit on my hand to show you. It just looks like gunmetal, but then, look, can you see that? Ooh, let it fall in. But then when you blend it in, that is the most gorgeous purpley and gold. Wow. That is gorgeous. That is really pretty. I've made a right mess now on my hand. Can you see the different colours in there? It looks a mess. It looks a mess. On my hand, I'm sure I could create a better eye look on my eye. So these are micro sparkles, and it said Mystical Eye Dust in shade Bubo, and the recommended retail price is $11.95. So that's the second item in the box. Next we've got a gorgeous brush. This is really, really pretty. Has it got anything on it? It just says Medusa's Makeup on it. Oh, that's stunning. That is stunning. So it's clear and it's got like little glitter particles in like blue, green and purple in there. Can you see better there? And yeah, the brush there, that is really nice as well. I love these type of brushes, are really nice with a little bit of a point in the middle, just really nice for blending. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is really, really pretty. Even the brush has got like little pink bits in it as well. I don't know if the camera picked that up there. But yeah, to go with the eyeshadow, no doubt. So what's it say? Use on eyes or cheeks. And it says glitter vegan brush, $8. So that's the third item in the box. Or fourth if you count the bag. Lastly, we've got something by Foxy Bay, I think it is, Flamingo Leave-In Cream Conditioner, and it contains biotin and it's sulfate and paraben free, and we've got 29.5 mils here. That's what it looks like there. Say goodbye to frizz and flyaways with our Flamingo Leave-In Conditioner. Our unique biotin enhanced formula nourishes, hydrates and detangles hair while making it more manageable. Apply small amount on clean damp hair after showering and you'll be ready to slay for the day. I was expecting it to have a seal. It doesn't have a seal. No, you know, one of those little ones that you peel off, but it doesn't have one. Oh, that smells nice. I know it's a conditioner, but I just want to have a proper sniff because that did smell really nice. Yeah, that's lovely. I'm currently taking a biotin spray. I just spray 5 sprays on my mouth every morning. I'm also looking for shampoos and conditioners which contain biotin as well. So because my hair is not the best, it's all hormone related, long story, but yeah, so I'm intrigued to see what this is like. But I don't tend to use leave-in conditioners because my hair is so fine and fly away. I have yet to find one that makes my hair look amazing without it weighing it down, causing it to go into like strands. As soon as I hit the air, it looks fine when I'm in the house, but as soon as I hit outside and the wind is blowing it everywhere, it just goes into like greasy looking strands. So yeah, so I don't know about that, but I'll give it a go as I do with all the other leave-in conditioners, see if it works. If it does, my gosh, I'm going to be gutted because this is in America. You never know, I might be able to get it over here. But it says, this is a special guest. And it says here that it just says Foxy Bay Conditioner, $5.99. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up. So these are all the items inside December's Medusa's Makeup box. I just noticed on the card that to buy this bag, it would cost you $8. So the items we've got then, we've got a leave-in conditioner. We've got a gorgeous looking eyeshadow brush. We've got an eyeshadow and we've got a highlighter as well. I think it's really lovely. I think the box is really nice. It's quirky, it's different. Yeah, imagine having all your brushes looking like that. I would love that. I would love that. I just think they're beautiful. The highlighter, not really for me, but I'll see what it's like on my skin. It's not the type of highlighter I normally go for. And the leave-in conditioner as well. It sounds great, it smells nice, but does it work on my hair? I'm not too sure. So yeah, so for me this month the standout products are the eyeshadow and the eyeshadow brush. But do I think it is worth £20, which is what it would cost me if I were to subscribe from the UK? I can see how being in the UK and knowing that it only costs $16.95 in the US, which is a big jump really, $10 shipping, you're talking, what is that, about £7, something like that? I'm not too sure. So it's like, if I was in the US, I would jump at this box, definitely. Because I'm in the UK and because it's not the only box I'm getting, not that it should matter, but I'm just saying if I was just after one particular nice box to have, this wouldn't be it. And it's because of the price, and yeah, I would want to feel like I'm getting good value for money, and I do think that there's other boxes available in the UK that are cheaper. It's a really hard one. If I was in the US, yes, 100% I'll be subscribing to this box every single month, but because I'm in the UK and because I get other boxes and stuff, and generally the other boxes I get are lower than £20 a month, you're talking £15, £12 a month and so quite a big jump in price. But comparing the products and everything, I'm not sure that this box would be for me. But I think it's because I'm spoilt for choice as far as subscription boxes are concerned, because there's so many out there and I subscribe to a lot, and I also get some gifted to me as well, like this box. This box was gifted to me, so I think bottom line, it's a nice box, but it's not a wow enough box for me to say yes, I would definitely subscribe to it, being a UK subscriber. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? I know I have a high percentage of US subscribers, which is one of the reasons why I agreed to unbox this on my channel, though not this one. This one was a surprise, but previous boxes that have been sent. So I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you subscribe to Medusa's Makeup? Do you think it's a good value box? Also, if you're in the UK or any other countries, what do you think of this box? Do you think it's something that takes your fancy, or do you think no, it's just not worth the money, or there's something missing? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.